Hello, this is Victor from Black Pisces Production, and you're watching the How to Mix Power Metal video series. In the previous two videos of the video series, I showed you how I mix the guitars. This video is going to be a lot shorter. Today, I'm going to show you the processing on my guitar bus that is called Guitars. The first insert on this channel is the Virtual Mix Rack plugin with the VCC Mix Bus and the FG401 modules. The VCC Mix Bus is set to group 7 just like the VCC channel modules in the previous two parts of the video series. The settings are the following: read 4K G mode, drive at 14 dBs and input at -6.3 dBs. After the VCC channel, I use the FG401 compressor to glue the guitar tracks together. I set the attack to 5 and the release to 1. The compressor is showing around 1 dB of gain reduction with 2:1 ratio. The second insert on this channel is the Infinity EQ plugin. I use this plugin to remove unnecessary and annoying frequencies from the signal. I use two small notches to clean up the guitars even more. I cut 1.5 dBs at 3.17 kHz and 2 dBs at 4.29 kHz. After that, I use the high-pass filter to cut out frequencies below 53 Hz and a low-pass filter to cut out frequencies above 10.5 kHz. And now a before and after comparison of these two plugins. In this video, I showed you the processing on my guitar bus. This was the last video in the video series about guitars. In the next part, we are going to take a look at the synths. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video and leave a comment if you enjoy this content. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.